Okay, we're back at it. We're in the basement today. Have to take a little break from the projects outside with the cement and that kind of stuff and the trench because I've got a hot water heater that doesn't do any hot water stuff. I don't like that. I'm a little sick of cold showers. It's been about 2 weeks. Talked to the plumber. He's able to come in here and grab me a tankless water heater so I don't have to be heating water that I'm not using. But I have to get that thing out of here so he's got space to work. So cue the time lapse. Alright, taking a look at here, I just got the gas disconnected, and I'm about ready to cut the, the water coming out, and then the supply coming in for the old hot water heater, and you can see here, okay, as you can see, a lot of these valves suck, especially the old ones. It's shut all the way. It just keeps dripping. So what I like to do, especially since the plumber isn't going to be here until tomorrow, I'm going to take one of these cap valves, one of the shark bite ones, and plug it. What I didn't realize until right now is I didn't cut this long enough, so I just wasted that couple dollar shark bite fitting because I'm not going to be able to get this little tool in there to press it down. So be smarter than me. Alright, giving you a little quick update. I've had a couple time lapses in here. Maybe I lost the footage. I'm not real sure at this point. I've had a day from hell, pretty much. Plumber's putting in the new tankless water heater because I'm getting real sick of the October cold showers. Right now, I gotta get all this with the cement here, and so I can put a piece of plywood here so he can mount the manifold system if we're still gonna go with that. I'm gonna talk to him tomorrow, see what he thinks. He's already got some of the parts, so I don't want to screw him over, obviously, but I also want to take his advice and do what he thinks because he's the expert. And then I'm putting the, right over there is where we're putting the tankless water heater, and that's going to be able to provide hot water for the entire house except for the third floor when I get to that, but I could have kids graduate from college by then, and I don't have any kids right now. So I'm going to go mix up some more mortar, and then I'm going to throw a time lapse of me doing this, and basically what I'm doing is throwing it at the wall because that's the best way I found to get it to stick. Please, somebody in the comments, tell me if you've got a better idea. I've tried those little like cake batter things. They don't work. Not for me anyway, so I'm sure I'm doing a lot of things wrong. In the comments, tell me how dumb I am. Please. Thanks. Got this board, 3/4 inch ply, hung up off camera, and that's to mount the tankless water heater. Is going to go right here. And then still undecided if we're going to go with the manifold system or not, but that's going to be on this board right there. So I'll let you see what I'm doing with that one. plumber's got this in, and now we got to do a little bit of work outside, as far as I think you can see it right there, and mortar in the rest of those pipes there. So I'm gonna get to it. Here's the intake and here's the exhaust pipe. There's 12 inches difference between the two of them because you don't want the intake to be just sucking in the exhaust here. So I need to get this brick cut to kind of fit back in there. So this one will go here, and kind of replace some of this stuff. So, and then I'm gonna mortar it all in. Let's do it. Alright, got everything cleaned out here, got my bricks broken, my mortar mixed up, and now I'm going to put it all together. I'm wearing the plastic gloves just so I can handle the camera and keep my skin from getting so dried out. No real reason for it. Oh man, I ripped a glove. About sums it up. The bricks, going the foundation route and mortaring in that as I keep going. That's getting a little bit better each time I do it. So if that's something that scares you, just start with one bag of mortar and dig in, and then you'll figure it out, I guess. Actually quite a bit of work before the plumber even got here and then after he left. So that's kind of the stuff that I handled. The actual install was the plumber, but like I said, I would probably tackle that myself if I had more time, and now that I've seen it once, which now that you've seen it once, you can tackle it. Well, you didn't see this part because most contractors just don't want you to film them. It's a little creepy actually, so they don't do that, so, okay. But if you like this video and like the process of what's going on with this house and following it, bam, right down there, give me a big thumbs up. And if you like the Danny Foursquare logo, we got some swag. See in the description, I'll try to put a link down in here and get yourself a t-shirt. All right, thank you very much for watching, and I'm not Hawaiian, so I'm not gonna do this again in front of the camera. Sound good? Yeah, bro, that's awesome. Sweet, cool, check you later.